then yeah, we're in my garage. Hey, this is a 60-inch Swisher finishing, or finishing, well, it is Polaris Swisher. They call them Swishers, but this is, in this case, it's a Polaris 60-inch finishing mower. Well, that last video I showed you, I had problems with the starter solenoid. We're all fine with that, and she was running it a while ago, and doing a good job. We have to keep lifting it up because it's getting deeper and deeper out there. All of a sudden, I just couldn't get it to start. It wouldn't run, and I looked it all over, and then I got thinking something. Well, maybe my fuel tank is too low, and it's not getting enough fuel in there. Well, I pulled the fuel line off at that level, and it's pouring out of there really, really well. As you can see how clean I got. Well, I got thinking about like what else could be doing this, and I got down here. You got a fuel solenoid for the fuel tank, the fuel carburetor. What this does is it flips up and down. There's got a plunger in here, and I got looking at it like, wait a minute, and I touched it and it fell out. I was like, oh man, you gotta be kidding me. So I went ahead and pushed it back in and did this. I'm not exactly sure what keeps that little plug in there. What I did is I put a layer of silicone sealant around it, and then I shoved it up in there, and then I put some more sealant around it, and once that dries, it's not coming out of there. So that could be your problem. So just a quick video follow up from doing the starter solenoid on this, and had no problems. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next day in Crosby's Garage.